welcome to PushMowerRepair.com. Today we're going to show you how to replace the bottom seal in a Power-Torque engine. In a later video we'll show you how to replace the bottom seal in the older style full crank Victa engines. After a bit of persuasion with the wooden hammer, the shaft will pop out, allowing you to simply remove the flywheel. And there you go, the flywheel's all gone, removed. And then we should be able to just lift the engine up. And there we have the crankshaft remaining with one of the main bearings. And if we flip it over, we'll see there's another bearing inside the shaft still at the bottom, and we'll show you how to remove that next. Here's another quick view of that bearing. This bearing is also a seal that seals the crankcase from the bottom. Once you've lubricated the bearing, you'll want to place the motor on two bits of wood like so, with the bearing shaft exposed and off the ground. And then you want to get something like a piece of wood or a pipe that's not metal. If it is metal, you want to put a little piece of wood at the bottom to cushion the bearing, unless you absolutely don't care about the condition when it's knocked out. And then what you want to do is just gently tap it out, and it should come out fairly easily. Just going to simply give it a tap. Okay, so we've just showed you how to remove this lower bearing from the Power-Torque engine. This bearing here incorporates a seal. On both sides it's a sealed bearing. And so if your bearing's worn out, you're going to have to replace the sealed bearing, and in doing that you'll replace the seal, and so you won't have to worry about it. But if your bearing's not worn and your seal's just leaking, you can buy these seals separately. We'll sell them on the website. And so if you need to change the actual seal, you just get a little screwdriver. You can pop out your old seal, and then you put your new seal on and you just push it in and make sure it's evenly pushed in all around. And then your seal should be replaced and you shouldn't have a leak out the bottom of your engine.